Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. Today I'm going to show you how to safely and effectively clean your MacBook screen. You will need a few things: a soft microfiber cloth, a white paper towels or abrasive materials, and clean water. If you want, you can use cleaning solutions specifically made for screens, but I will use water. And that's it, simple and safe. Before you begin, always power off your MacBook and unplug it. This minimizes the risk of electrical damage and make it easier to see smudges on the screen. Start with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any loose dust or particles. Be gentle and avoid pressing too hard. This can damage the screen. If there are stubborn smudges or fingerprints, dampen your microfiber cloth with a little water. Remember, never spray water or any liquid directly onto the screen. It could seep into the edges and damage your MacBook. Use soft circular motions and make sure the cloth is just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Once you have cleaned the screen, flip the cloth to the dry side and give it a quick wipe to remove any streaks or moistures. And there you go, your screen looks good as new. Let's compare screen before and after cleaning. That's it for today's video. Cleaning your MacBook screen is quick and easy when done the right way. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.